Come in and sit down, gentle Kathleen, for I have glad news for thee. Oh, come in and sit down, me own darling. Come in, cried the old vanity. The old woman's face, it grew brighter, and Kathleen Carroll, she cried, you had a gallant irregular here in my little cabin last night. Last night as the cocks were crowing, a loud knocking there came to my door. Sure I thought it was the boys were returning from the ambush below in Rossmore. It was quickly they entered the kitchen, and they stacked up their guns by the wall. It's a cold night, replied the brave captain, to be crossing from the Black Altimore. Oh, cheer up, me good-hearted old woman, and fill the glass of poteen, for we heard it far, far over the mountains, that you held here a little Sheebeen. It was quickly she filled up their glasses, and drink health to all comrades, she cried, and to those who have battled for freedom on the great hills of Ireland they died. Now here's to that brave Father Dalton, MacDonald and brave Calbrew, and that noble and proud Innes Lacey, who died to give Ireland her due. Now here's to all those who will cherish, and to those on a high gallows tree, their children they never will perish, for they're Christians just like you and me.